This HISENSE 2-metre high PureFlat slim fridge freezer is perfect for more compact kitchens that still need some hefty food storage. Let's take a closer look at its features. You can forget about manual defrosting as it's got total no frost technology. Basically, it prevents ice and water from building up by evenly distributing cold air around the fridge and the freezer compartments, keeping them frost-free and keeping your food fresher and more nutritious for longer, so you can put your ice pick away. The 2-litre capacity water dispenser on the front of the fridge really comes in handy, especially in the summer, so I love that this has one. You just place your cup underneath and then push down on the lever. And with this being non-plumbed, it makes it really easy to set up. You just need to remember to refill the compartment with water when it runs low. The PureFlat design looks good without taking up too much additional space, which is perfect for modern, compact kitchens. The flat doors with the recessed handles have a minimalist look, and the handles are designed so that both adults and children can open them, which is perfect if you enjoy cooking with the kids and like to let them pick out their own ingredients. You don't even need to worry about them leaving the door open afterwards, as it automatically closes itself when it's left open at 15 degrees, and it sounds an alarm at anything wider. It has metal tech cooling too, which is there for consistent cooling that preserves the texture, flavour and nutrients of your food, all while showcasing a premium interior. If you would like more information about this HISENSE fridge freezer, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.